so these pricks believe me. Look at this mountain of snow. Got my van out, took all damn day. Wahlberg's. Stang was, couldn't even see it. Shit. Look at this mess. And I went all the way to Home Depot and they're closed. Bastards. Had to go down the wrong damn street. Teabag. Just to show these freaking pricks. Make them lying and shit. Had to go down the wrong way. Fucker. Just so they know I'm not fucking lying. Look at all the way down. That's my block. See that down there? 6 foot wall of snow. And another one after it. Ain't gonna make it through there. So I barreled through this way. Made the turn. Just to prove to these pricks that I went. That I'm not fooling around. It's just not a joke out here. Look at that shit down there. Freaking wall. 2 of them. Bastards. Shit. Great. Roll you to Brooklyn for nothing in this bullshit. So I'll show them my little video and shit. So they know I'm not fucking around. Look at this shit. The truck was parked the other way. Yep, that's where it was sitting this morning. Bastards. No one gives a shit. Any damage to this bitch? Nothing. And they didn't even wreck the van. Smashed it through snowbanks like I'm freaking James Bond and shit. And no dents.